So today I'm going to make a butter coconut cake. Okay, so we're gonna start our ingredients. So my helper, she's gonna help me.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna start. Our first ingredient is half cup of butter, melted butter again, half cup. So our next ingredients is a half cup of sugar, white sugar. Okay, and then the next one is two eggs, and then a half teaspoon of vanilla, and then my backup is going to mix that first.
Hello, folks. It's me again, the Naked Chef, Captain on the pants.
Now we're gonna put 2 cups of flour. So I just put this here. Not yet.
1 spoon of this
So
food.
1,
4.
3/4. What's that? Is that 3/4 or that's 3/4?
That's what you're making a
that's
pot.
2 cups of flour. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add 4 teaspoons of fresh milk. 4 teaspoons. 4 teaspoons of fresh milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we just mix this first, and then after this mixing here, we're going to add 1/3 cup of dried shredded coconut. Okay, so we're going to add 1/3 cup of shredded coconut. Okay, we just mix this again. Also 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I nearly forgot. So just 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm going to put a little oil in it. Okay. And then I just spread all over. And then I'm going to bake this for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, just
I know I've accepted £55 although I threw it back on the table as I jested my anger and my disappointment.
just like that there. So I'm going to bake this for 180 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, this is cooked now. Okay, I'm going to cook this first. See that there? Okay, I'm gonna bring this out and then we're gonna have dinner. This is the back there, see that there? See the back? So we just leave cool down there.